love you. I love you. I love you so much, all right? Okay. Okay, something's happening.
I feel like it's a demon.
Okay, are you sure this baby is mine?
There might be a chance that it's not, and I...
Okay, well, we'll talk about that later. We'll talk about that later. Just spread your legs.
I'm so sorry.
Wait.
Down here!
Down here! Down here!
There's water, bro!
There's water!
There might be a chicken!
Okay, wait. Here. Here's a piece of gum. Just chew this piece of gum. I don't know, I saw it on the Rescue 911.
Oh my God, hold on. My mom's gonna have to wait.
Wait, no. Hello? Yes, she's having it. It might be a chicken. Okay. All right. Wait, I'm seeing something. What is that? Wait. No, it's not a baby. It's a fucking eel. Fucking electric eel. We're gonna have some therapy or something. The communication between us. Oh, okay. All right. No worries, I'll use my socks. Genie, I wish for my baby not to be an eel bitch, but just a human child.